How to enable or disable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, tap on the one-handed mode toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side. In here, if you turn it on, you can go down and choose one-handed mode for gesture or buttons. So for gesture, you can swipe down at the center to open up one-handed mode. For button, you can double tap on the button, tap on the home button to open one-handed mode. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or switch it off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you like and if you find this video is helpful, you can like and subscribe to my video to my channel for more videos.